Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Google Sheet. So actually it is very easy. First of all, you need to just go to the Google Sheets, clicking on this button right here, or just Google it, just Google Sheets, and that is it. Now in the Google Sheets menu, you need to click on the blank spreadsheet right here. Click on it, and now we will have this blank workplace. And now if we will type something like hello in the first cell, so for example, I want these cells to be merged. All I have to do now is to simply select the cells I want to be merged and click on this little button right here called merge cells. And by clicking this button, the cells are merged, and now I have select the entire cell and make whatever I want. So for example, I can just center it, or just make it to the right, center, etc. So I can do whatever I want with the entire cell. And basically that is it. That is how I can merge cells in Google Sheets. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.